Hello, Dylan. Right now, I'm picking up my car right now. This is where I'm at. Just to tell you where I'm at. We're over here by the mountains. If you can see this. This is where I'm at. And this is where I'm actually not home. Just got done with my coffee with the stuff from. It was good. Good job. And well, I might be, well, I'll be coming back. I don't know if I'm coming back home or not. So right now, I'll probably go to somewhere just to saying, just look at this, Dylan. Look at that airplane up there, you guys. Look at that. So, this is where I'm at. But when I get back home, I'm gonna play some games, maybe come back home, or maybe go somewhere else. Well, when I get back home, I might jump in the pool because it's hot. Or I might go to the pool and just go swimming in it because it's nice and warm. So, smash me. I'm in Facebook. I'm in Instagram. And you can catch me on my Facebook, Instagram. Leave the comments and below, and make sure you get that bell button. Just smash it. And by the way, oh, and one more thing. Thank you for the 20 likes of subscribers. Thank you. Oh, and I have two profiles. One of the pictures with the Splatoon characters, and the other one's the green one. The J. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. And you guys are very welcome to remember. Stay Zigatron. And then off.